Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have 2004, 2003 Chevy Trailblazer, and our problem here that there is no communication with the ABS control module. Right now we change it, we have an ABS active and work fine, but by the way, there is no need for programming. You don't need to buy the subscription and go and see, you get the same problem that we're getting in those cars. The ABS module, especially when it's used. If it's new, maybe need a program. Used one, the same software is already there, so we don't need that. But still we have a problem. When you drive the car, you push the brake, it make a grinding noise before it stops. So we try to check it and go into the data to see if there is some glitch in the system. The car, let's go put the information inside and see if we can go to the data. This is not the car that we are working on, so I'm gonna go with this, take it out. I will come back to here, then I will initialize it. The cancel, diagnose. Okay, I'm gonna go by VIN, auto detect. Back it up a little bit. Yeah, thank you. I don't know if this car have, okay, accept. I want to see if I have a VIN number here. If it's not, there is no VIN number. Okay, escape this one here. I'm gonna do manual selection. What year was that? 2003? 4. Passenger car, MPV, right? This is Chevy Trailblazer, right? Not a Blazer. T or S. The product line, the 5 digit of the VIN number. Gosh. T. Okay. Up level. This is original?
No.
So up level radio. Dual zone AC. That's 1, 2. 3 zone, maybe another side too, for the back. Okay, diagnose. Control unit. Anti-lock brake only. I need anti-lock brake. Trouble code. Read. If there is anything we can see. This is the first technology. Things are very slow on it. There is no code. Okay, now we're gonna go back. Because there is no code, we're gonna go to live data. And from the live data, we're gonna choose 4 sensors. Then we're gonna drive. Okay, this is left front, and this is right front, rear wheel speed sensor. Okay, this car has 3 sensors, I believe. Okay. Yeah, this car here, it have only 3 sensors. You have rear, left front speed sensor, right front speed sensor, and rear wheel speed sensor on the differential. Okay.
Okay, in the middle.
Yeah, in the middle. So I'm gonna try to change this to like this to be sure that everything is okay. Nothing is dropped. Okay. Put this up. So we're gonna drive. Oh, I don't see.
Yeah, there's one around, yeah.
Let's go now. When I see everything is good. I'm very surprised that it started by 5 miles an hour. 6,685. 8. Okay, this car is like everything is funny. I might have the right tires, because if they are leaving, they're supposed to be the same numbers. The rear wheel speed sensor, left front speed, rear wheel speed sensor, right wheel speed. Okay, 14, 15. Okay, 24, everything good, 24. They are good, everything look good. 29, 29, 31, 31. Okay, 35, 35. You're gonna do it to see if it's gonna happen. Like the left front does that?
I feel in the pedal.
Okay, yeah, oh, that's the pedal. I don't see nothing. They all go back to 5. Rear wheel speed sensor. They all go to 5. Right front wheel speed sensor, left front wheel speed sensor, rear wheel speed sensor. I don't see nothing like CASHAPP. They're all doing beautiful. 39, 39. They're all doing good. Like is erratic or is pumping back?
What it is, it feels like it's actually skipping.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's definitely
Okay.
comes the
When you go
spot.
when you go just stop here. I just want to try to go to another numbers. Just want to put digital numbers. Just want to get digital numbers. If there is any glitch. Let's go down. They are very smooth. I don't see nothing. With the old one also have the same problem?
Yeah.
With no communication have the same problem?
Yeah.
I don't see any electrical or electronic problem thus. So 40, 42, 43. You know, like you can say something glitch that can cause drop. I don't see no drops. If there is a drop, I can tell you there is a drop. I don't see no drops. Not even small drops. You go to 5, they all come back 5. Sometimes when you do like this, one of them is dropped to 0.
One drop to 0, but it still stayed the rest 5?
No.
Oh, when it's
on one
wrong.
car, one car when it's wrong, yeah, one
Yeah,
of them
yeah.
dropped to 0.5.
Let me take a look at this tire size for real. Let me just check the tire size.
Size
Now,
test.
how come you're getting 5 there at 0?
No. No, 5 is, you know, like 0 to 5. That also was surprising me.
Yeah, they're all the same.
I supposed to get 0 mileage, but they put it 0 to 5 and already set up to 5, which is very weird too. I never have this like 5.
Yeah, that's odd.
Okay, maybe you have a. Oh. I don't see I don't see anything, any glitch. And you see when you're coming. Yeah. So we're gonna leave it here.